All right, everybody, here is the next machine to be parted out. It's a 2004 Arctic Cat 650 green. This machine has come to us with what is told to be a broken crankcase. So we'll determine that when we dig in there, but looks like we're missing the side panels. It's got some big old meats on it that have some pretty good weather checking to them. I believe about half of these tires hold air, the other half have slow leaks. This front left one leaks slow, but seat looks good, just a little dirty. Missing the airbox cover here. But overall, this machine looks pretty nice. It's got a winch on the front. One headlight's gone. ...2004 Arctic Cat 650. Let me know what you need. Thanks for watching.